In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register new card in Uniqlo. If you shop online often, saving a payment card can make checkout faster and more convenient. Before we begin, have your card handy and make sure you're on the official Uniqlo website. For the smoothest experience, use a secure internet connection and a modern browser. Start on the Uniqlo homepage. Look toward the top of the page for your profile icon. It's typically in the upper right corner. Click it to open your account area. From there, head into your profile settings. This is where you manage your personal details, preferences, and payment options. Inside profile settings, find the section labeled My Cards or Wallet. This is your secure space for adding and managing saved payment methods. Click My Cards to view your current list. If you haven't saved any yet, the list will be empty, and that's perfectly fine. Next, choose the option that says Register New Card. This opens a form where you'll enter your card information. Take your time here. Accuracy matters to ensure your card is accepted and ready to use. Begin by entering the card number exactly as it appears on your card. You can usually type it without spaces or dashes. The system formats it automatically. Then enter the expiration date. Most forms use a month and year format like MM YY or MMYYYY. Double check that the month and year are correct, so the system recognizes the card as valid. Now enter the security code. This is the 3-digit code on the back of most cards or a 4-digit code on the front for some types. This number helps verify that you physically have the card, so be sure it's accurate and typed carefully. Type in your full name exactly as it appears on the card. Matching the name precisely helps prevent verification issues during checkout. Before you proceed, review every field one more time. Look for common mistakes like swapped digits, an expired date, or a mistyped name. When everything looks good, click Register to save the card to your account. You should see a confirmation or find your new card listed under My Cards. If it doesn't appear right away, refresh the page and check again. From now on, you can select this saved card at checkout to speed things up. A few quick tips as you finish. Avoid adding cards on public or shared devices, sign out when you're done, and if you ever run into an error, recheck the details or contact your bank to ensure online transactions are enabled. And that's it. Your new card is registered and ready to use on Uniqlo.